Hey guys, welcome back to another current Snobz video. Today we've got number 11, I'm out of fingers, of trying to fill a Lincoln Cent album, 1941 through 1974, with just coins that we find in coin roll hunting, whether that be it through bank boxes, bank wrap rolls, or custom wrap rolls, which of course we try to prefer the custom wrap rolls, but as you guys know and have heard discussed on this channel before, they can be kind of a hit or miss, you know. But anyways, yeah, so we're going to do that again. Some of you folks like these videos, some of you do not, but either way, we want to get through this. Also, let us know how far you want us to go with this, because as you're going to see here pretty quick, the album is nearly full, at least for what we can viably get, or do you want us just keep going, you know, continually with this, into infinity, and maybe just turn these into little shorts if we only find certain things that we know will go in. Anyways, right hand side is the stuff that Keith found. Left hand side, and of course the messed up pile, is the stuff that I found. Found a little bit more than Keith this time, but yeah, as usual, Keith probably found the good stuff, because you know. Left hand side, still missing 41D, 42S, and of course all those freaking steelies. I don't know about finding those. Literally, it's been decades since I've found a steel penny in circulation. 52S, 53 plain, 54 plain, and some decent looking reds there as well. And then, of course, the right-hand side is completely full. 62 Denver through 74S. That's the easy stuff. This, of course, we're just trying to find reds to replace some of these red browns, and then this brown right here. But, anywho, I'm going to go through these real quick, sort them out. We do keep anything that looks good, even if we know it's going to be in the album, just in case it can replace, like I was saying, or we just don't have the heart to throw anything back that's mint state red back into the circulation, back into the dog cage. But, yeah, I'll go through these, sort them out into piles, and I'll bring it right back in. Alright, left-hand side is wheat pennies, so these could be, of course, fillers or replacements, and there are some nice bright red ones in there. Over here we have the newer stuff that is, for the most part, red. We're kind of trying to not get, or not keep the stuff that's newer if it's brown, because we know we have it. Sometimes it's just instinct, though, and a lot of times, well, I mean, you guys know me. I'm going to go through and scope literally freaking everything here on this tray, just because that's how I am. This side over here is the Lincolns, the 2009s that could have the possible errors. There is a crap ton of errors that could be on this coin, so I'll check those. Haven't found one yet, but law of averages right. It's got to happen at some point. Maybe. I don't know. These over here all had anomalies. Again, going to be scoped. These could be, you know, errors or varieties, possibly. And if I do find anything on any of these coins, I will bring you back, guys back in a different video. This over here is an awesome problem to have. These are wheat pennies that we found that are too old, won't fit in the book. Okay, so the first one here we have a 1928 plain. And a 1925 plain. So, again, can't go on the album, but great problem to have. Also, just to let you guys know, these coins were all found in a bank box. $25 worth of pennies, 50 rolls. Actually, pretty good amount of wheat pennies if you think about it, for just 50 rolls. Seems like things are starting to get a little bit more scarce. And then, of course, we have Canadian coins over here on the right-hand side. However, this one I wanted to bring to your attention because this is an old Canadian. Let's see. 1962. So I'm not super old, but it's always neat, again, to find the older stuff. As far as the wheat pennies go, very common circulation condition, except for these right here. I'll show you the couple of reds that we have. So we've got a 1955 Denver. I'd say that's red-brown. And this one is amazing. 1955S red. Found in a bankroll. I mean, come on. Yeah, it's not gonna buy you a house in the Bahamas or anything like that, but I mean, come on, it cost a penny. Anyways, I'm gonna go through these again, lay them out on the album to see what will and will not replace or fill. Bring you right back in. All right, checked them out, laid them out. Go ahead and ruin the ending here for you a little bit. There was absolutely no fillers. I knew that was gonna, well, I had a feeling that was gonna happen because, I mean, we are so close to getting this full that there's not gonna be a whole lot of fillers. And when we do, there's gonna be a huge celebration because, man, that'll be awesome. Did find a couple of better coins, but not a whole lot going on this time. A little bit better 1965. The one that we found here is a little bit less red-brown, closer to red than what's in here. And, of course, the 55 Denver and 55S are better than what was in the album, which I suspected. I mean, they're red, so, you know, hey, why not? And then this 58 Denver that's right here is just a little bit better than what's going on. I will also leave in the description down below the total of boxes that we have searched just particularly for this. So you guys can kind of follow along with that. I'm going to go ahead and pop these in. Be right back. All right, mischief managed. All the wheat pennies that we couldn't use, the 3 that were replaced, all of the newer coins that we couldn't use, but of course, I mean, we're going to keep them and or look at them. Soul search them. I mean, you know, you can't get rid of that. Look at that, 64 Denver. Again, not worth a whole lot, but that's a nice 64 Denver. The one that was replaced. I gotta go ahead and scope all of this fun stuff right now. And then the album. The right-hand side looks only slightly better. And I mean, very, well, I don't know. That 65 is pretty nice. And this looks considerably better. The 55D is real nice. The 55S is real nice. Replaced some browns. Still need 3 on this panel here. And nothing happened over here. Anyways. Alright. There you have it. There is chapter 11 of this very long search. Let us know what you think of the album, and more importantly, let us know how long you guys think that we should keep going with this. How long it's going to be interesting, and what we should do about those 43 steel cents. I'm thinking about maybe pushing this off until maybe, like, say, episode 15. Do 4 more of these, and then if we haven't found the steel pennies by then we'll figure out what to do from there, whether it be you know, buy rolls from eBay that are unsearched rolls with steel cents showing on the end. You guys know, I'm sure you've all seen those. Also got a first ever foreign coin grab bag coming up from a little bit of a weird, well, I shouldn't say weird, different source. Going against my friend Mike Leeper's wishes and his extreme foreign coin intelligence, bought one from Amazon because you guys know how much I like to punish myself. And if he says that Amazon is the worst place to get it, or one of the worst places to get a foreign mystery grab bag, then of course I'm going to do it because I want to see exactly how bad it is. Because, you know, it's kind of like hitting yourself in the head with a hammer because it feels so good when you stop. Anyways, I think that is it. Again, don't forget to throw your comments down below. Throw it a like if you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe because that is the best way to support the channel. And there is a little tip section down there in the title, but of course you guys never have to do that. Just subscribe. Subscribe, watch the videos. Best thing to do. Also, tick the bell to get a notification every single time that we do upload a video. And until next time, guys, love you all, God bless, and we'll see you soon. Stay safe.